Hello viewers, welcome to the Power BI course. Today we are going to learn two functions which can remove the filters. They are all and remove filters. Now filtering data is very important when we create the report so we can see the data the way we want. But sometimes we need to remove those filters as well. So we are going to see the scenario as well. But let's start first with the syntax. So the remove filters and the all, both functions has exactly same syntax as you can see on the screen, and they takes the table first and then the column if you wanted to remove the filter from the specific column. Now I have this screenshot for the both functions where we can see the difference. So as you can see under the remove filters, that remove filters can only be used to clear the filters but not to return a table. And the all function, this function is not used by itself but serves an intermediate function that can be used to change the set of results over which some of the other calculation is performed. The table or the column with filters removed. So it returns the table with your choice of filter removed. Okay, so that is it's trying to say. Now, as it already mentioned here, that it cannot be used itself. So they have to use a within like calculate function. So next thing is where to use it and how to use it. So let's go to the Power BI. So in Power BI, as you can see, we have couple of tables here. We are going to use a sales table to create our measure around the total sales. And we are going to use this geography table. And we are going to use this continent name column. So before we start on this, let me mention here the people who are first time here on this channel that we already have a video how to create a simple measure. So you can go ahead and watch that. The people who are already here, they know that we created a measure and I have same simple measure here where we are just summing up our sales amount. Now I'm going to click on sales and new measure so we can create our new measure. And my measure name is let's say all and measure. Okay, and is equal to, I'm going to use a calculate function. As I said that these functions cannot be used itself. Okay, so calculate, and in calculate our expression is our total sales, which is our simple measure. And as a filter, we are going to use all function. All, and then in all function, we need to give a table name or column name. So we are going to give a column name from geography table, the continent name. Okay, because we are going to use this continent name in the visual. Close the bracket and enter. Okay, so in visual we are going to use the geography continent name column, and then for the total sales, our regular total sales measure and our new measure which removed the continent name. Okay, so as you can see here that our regular total sales, it break down the sales by continent, and the total sales is here where our removed continent name by all function, that gives our total sales of the all continent. So this way this function removes the filter. We can try our remove filter instead of the all as well. I'm going to just add remove filter here. Okay, and both has the same syntax, so we don't need to change anything else. And if I enter, then still I have the same results. So they both are same. The all is going to return the table, where the remove filters only remove the filters from the existing table. Now the question is, where do we need to use it? Now let's say if you need to calculate the percentage of the sales by the each continent, right? Then how do you do that? You have to divide your continent sales by your total sales. and that way you can calculate your percentage of sales by continent, right? So we have here both our continent sales is here and our total sales is here. So let's create another measure and see how it works. Okay, new measure, and this time my measure name is continent sales percentage. Okay, and what we wanted to do, we wanted to divide, so divide function, and we have to have our numerator, which is our total sales, the simple measure results, and then denominator, we are going to use our new measure, which is our all measure, and then close the bracket and enter. And let's apply to the visual our new measure, and this measure is percentage, so we need to change the format to percentage. And as you can see that now we have our percentage of sales by continent. So this is the way you use this kind of functions for many different reasons. I just showed you one reason here to calculate our continent sales. Okay, now we are going to create another measure where I can show you that how you can put it all these, both these DAX code in a single measure. So let's create another measure, and this time our measure name is continent sales and percentage is equal to, so we have to use first divide function because actually we are going to divide this value, right? So divide, within divide then our regular total sales, and then I'm going to use a calculate function to carry out our denominator value. Okay, so calculate, let's put it in a second row, and so calculate, and in calculate it looking for an expression, so again our total sales, but this time we are going to add the filter which is I'm going to use this time a remove filter. Okay, so remove filters function, and our geography table and our column is continent name. Okay, enter, close the round brackets and enter. Okay, so our measure is ready, and I have to put it on the percentage format, and then we are going to use it on our visual. So our continent sales, and it gives you the exact same results, right? So guys, this is all about how to use all and remove filters functions to carry out the percentage like task. If you like the content of the video guys, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. And even if you like to improve on something, you wanted to know more or other functions, just comment it and I will create the video on that. Thank you. Thanks for watching.